Okay, can you show me your M? Where's the M you drew? You didn't draw an M? M. Good job. High five. Are you drawing letters?
Yeah, pass.
Carly, what are you drawing? You coloring? You got a fat lip from yesterday. You coloring picture?
Hey.
Carly. Can you do an A?
What?
Here, turn the paper over. Look. Look, ready? Pick it up. Pick your crayon up. Watch, I'm going to show you. Pick it up. Look, you can flip it over and have a new side. Can you do an A? Remember, up, down, across? Hey. Boo. Say cheese.
I spoke to you.
It's broken?
Yep.
What is?
So broken.
The camera?
Yep.
No, it's not.
Nope.
How many-
The Mama.
Yeah, it's for Grandma.
Dog. Grandma.
Say hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grandma.
Look at the camera and say it. You gotta look at the camera and say hi, Grandma. Look. Bud. Hey. Look at the camera. Look. Say hi, Grandma.
Hi, Grandma.
Say I miss you. Say hi, Grandma.
Hi, Zika.
Grandma.
Mama.
Grandma.
Sambasara.
Say hi, Grandma.
Mama, guys.
Your hair's going all crazy. There you go. Let me see. Is it prettier? Say hi, Grandma.
Mama.
Say I love you. Carly. Say love you.
Oh.
Look at your hair, kid. How come the front doesn't grow? Say love you, Grandma.
Hi, Grandma.
Stop watching TV. Stop watching TV. You're supposed to be coloring. Want me to turn the TV off? Yeah? Alright, say bye, Grandma.
Bye, Grandma.
Say love you.
Bye. Oh, do it.
You want me to play a song?
Yeah.
Alright, hold on.